Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss purchase order process and receiver process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So purchase order process is like you are having one warehouse, and in that warehouse you are having some of product maintained. And once this product quantity is about to end, so then again you need to purchase the same product from your vendor, so you can maintain your warehouse in a good shape. Now we will take an example. So we are going to create an purchase order to our vendor. So from that place, we will be buying this product. Now we need to create an purchase order, and then we need to create our purchase order receipt. So once you receive the product from your vendor, then you will be creating a purchase order receipt. And once the vendor is sends you an invoice, so then you need to create a purchase order bill. Now go back to the field service application. So purchase order process like you are buying some product from your warehouse, from your vendor. Now in this inventory area, so we have this purchase order. So click on that. Now click on new button. So the purchase order also we will be using this product, and we are going to buy this particular from one vendor, and we will be buy a quantity of 8. So first select the vendor name from here. So I am selecting as Cafe Duo, and then click on save. Now click on product tab. Now click on three dot, and then click on new purchase order product. So select which product you want to buy this vendor. Click on product from here. So in product select as Cafe Duo. So as you can see, the unit is automatically populate. Quantity, so you want to buy 8 from this vendor. Now click on product associate to tab. So here we need to associate to warehouse, and which warehouse you are going to buy this product. So whether you are going to buy for main warehouse or for car warehouse, and in this scenario we are going to buy for main warehouse only, and this purchase order product to main warehouse. Then click on save and close button. Now click on address tab. So if you are give main warehouse address, so you can give it here. Now click on details tab, and what date you are expecting to this product to reach your warehouse. And in the receive to warehouse, I am selecting as main warehouse. Now click on save button, and now move to the next stage. So here only a manager or service manager will be looking into this purchase order. So they will be approved this record, and after they approve this record, only purchase order will be sent to the vendor. Now go to the next stage. Like they can create buy only after getting approval from the manager only. So they can send the purchase order to the vendor as submitted. Now purchase order will be submitted. It means we have created a purchase order, and we have sent all the detail to the vendor. So our vendor will start packing the product. So he will send the product to our warehouse. And once we receive the product, so we need to create a purchase order receipt. Now click on next stage. So now we created purchase order. It means we created some record and we sent to our vendor. And once the vendor has sent all the product to us, then we need to create a purchase order receipt. So click on create from here. So here give the name as 8 Cafe Duo. Now click on save from here. Now I need to specify the product. So click on notes from here, and now click on three dot, and then click on new purchase order receipt. So here select the purchase order product as Cafe Duo, and the quantity is 8. So we order 8 product to the vendor, and the vendor also send back 8 quantity of that product. Now click on save and close from here. Now move to the next stage. So again from purchase order received, and it will be coming to the purchase order status. Now go back to the main warehouse and firstly refresh it. Now click on related and then go to the product inventory. So as you can see, the quantity was 48. Now it is updated to 56 because we received 8 more quantity from some vendor. So go back to the purchase order. So vendor will send us some invoice. So we need to track that invoice in our application for that. Now we need to create a purchase order bill. So click on next stage. Now we need to create a purchase order bill. So click on that. So give the name as invoice. So there will be some invoice number and there will be some invoice number printed on the vendor invoice from right. Now we will be giving the number here as 000111311. So bill date we need to mention here. So I'm giving as 20. Now click on save button. Now go to the related and select the receipt product. And if you can mention the receipt product, so you can mention here. So in this video we covered create a purchase order. Also we'll send to a approval from the manager. So then we submitted purchase order and the vendor pack the product from us. Then he will be sending the product to the warehouse location, and once we received, then we will be creating a purchase order receipt. Thanks for watching.